In this tutorial, I will teach you how to convert a blurry image to high quality using free AI. Open the browser. Search any recording, click the website link. Website link in description. Click Upscale image now. Select the image. Now we will have to wait a little while for processing. Here is your final result. In it, you can see the blurry image on one side and the high-quality image on the other. Now click Save to save the image. Download this image. Open the image. Subscribe to our channel to see more such tips.